Guys, I will be talking about best cordless phone for a home, and this is the Panasonic model. Let me take you some highlighted features of this. So you got a power backup, customized sound system, and secure grip, and then hands-free speaker. Then there is a night. So in hardware, you get AC adapter, two AC adapters, one telephone line cord, four batteries, and charger. So there are two chargers because there are two wireless units. Normally in this kind of phone there is only one wireless unit, but this gives you two wireless units. So go through the main highlighted points or features of this phone, then we'll do unboxing. So there are two headsets and one base unit and one charger. Basically there's twins, it's called twins. And then you have 2.4 gigahertz. It works on the 2.4 gigahertz. Get customized sound system. Then there's a power backup. There is an incoming call bearing. Then you have 100 names and number phone book. Then the polyphonic ringer. There are 30 melodies and 10 tunes inside it. Then there's a caller ID with 50 station call log is there, and there is illuminated display and keypad. So night mode setting is there. And then you have wall mountable base and charger unit. Battery life is up to 10 hours and rechargeable battery. Let me take you through the unboxing of this phone, and I will show you switching on the phone, and let's see how it looks like. So this is what it looks like. This comes in like very good packing, and if you look at the features, like all the features and everything which I showed you is like very clearly mentioned and works perfectly. So after using for 4 months, I'm doing this review. Guys, once we are done with the unboxing, so uh, always go ahead and set the right time and date. And there is a switch phone feature on the main base. So if you want to switch the phone, switching the phone means basically transferring the phone. So you can transfer the phone to the extension phone, and the phone which is coming here can be transferred to the other phone very easily. And there's option where you may not be able to listen on this phone, so there's a privacy also is taken care. And since this is 2.4 gigahertz, so works really perfectly wirelessly. And if you look at this button, you can press this button and it will try to locate your main. Thanks guys for watching this video, and if you have any questions, please let me know in comment section.